What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to open up a second box of 2021 NBA Hoops. You get 24 packs in a box, 8 cards per pack. I had already opened one. I had a lot of fun doing so. Had a couple of very nice hits in there. I'm going to open up the second box here and see what we pull out of this one. So let's go. Really nice looking set. Very much enjoyed opening up the first one, and got a nice chunk of the set completed with the cards. And I'm hoping with this box it'll actually help me finish up the actual base set, and hopefully get a couple nice hits too in the meantime. So here we go. Let's start off with pack number 1. All right, here we go. We have, where you can actually see, there you go. James Wiseman, Maxi Kleber, Rashawn Holmes, Larry Markkinen, Obi Toppin, Marcus Morris Sr. And we have the Zero Gravity cards. We have Michael Porter Jr. on this one. Put that up here. And then our rookie is Josh Giddey from the Oklahoma City Thunder. So put that there, put that there. Actually, let's change this up. Last time I did it that way. Let's do it this way. Insert, base, rookie over there. At least you can see them. All right, next up we have Kevin Durant, Pascal Siakam, Drew Holiday, and we have Doug McDermott, PJ Tucker, Mason Plumlee, and we have a parallel of Kelly Olynyk, number to 25. There you go. Put that over here. And then Chris Duarte, or Duarte, rookie. There, put that there. Alright, next pack. Alright, here we go. My Philadelphia 76ers, we have Tyrese Maxey, Draymond Green, Kristaps Porzingis, John Collins, Dylan Brooks, Will Barton. And then we have one of our franchise leaders and three-pointers, Dirk Nowitzki, hollow card. And then our rookie is Zaire Williams from the Memphis Grizzlies. There you go. Put that there. Put these there. Right, next up. Alright. Theo Maledon. Jaylen Brown. LeBron James. Jusuf Nurkic. Michael Bridges. And we have Jaden McDaniels. And we have our City Edition. We have Colin Sexton. And our rookie is Cameron Thomas. Next up. Alright. There you go. Al Horford. There is Garland. Christian Wood. Bradley Beal, Jordan Clarkson. Now, what's this? Alright, let's put that here. Ooh! These boxes, I'll be honest with you, have been very good to me. Here we go. We have Michael Porter Jr. Auto, Hot Signatures. That is a nice looking card. Let me put that down for 1 second so I can get a top loader and penny sleeve for that. So we can sleeve it up. You have to watch my videos, but the other box I opened had a very nice auto in it too. So, yeah, that's not bad. Here. And let me take one of these And we'll put him, let me move all this up. That's a cool auto. That's a very cool auto. Put him right there. So yeah, you know, for the rest of the pack, we have now playing insert Davian Mitchell. There you go. And Aaron Wiggins auto, or Aaron Wiggins rookie. All right, there we go. All right, here we go. Next up, Kelly Olynyk, Kyrie Irving, OG Anunoby, if I pronounce it correctly, DeAndre Ayton, DeAndre Hunter, Kelly Oubre, and then we have the, yeah, I could not figure this out in the last box, and I said I'll look it up, so when I do the next video I'll know what they say, and obviously I did not do that, and I cannot for the life of me figure out what these say behind, and I forgot to look it up to see what that says, so I apologize. But Kai Jones insert. Boom. There you go. Kai Jones insert. And JT Thor, rookie. Let's keep going. We have Wendell Carter Jr., Sadiq Bey, Joe Harris. Then we have Spencer Dinwiddie, Bojan Bogdanovic, Thaddeus Young. Then we have Road to the Finals, Chris Paul, number 2, $9.99. That's a nice insert. Put that right there. And then we have the Quentin Grimes rookie. Put that here, put that there, and fix Chris over here. There we go. Okay, let's keep going. All right. Now we have Fred VanVleet, Bobby Portis, Andre Drummond, Kyle Lowry, PJ Washington Jr., Bogdanovic. Then we got now playing Trey Murphy III. And then our rookie is Greg Brown III. Let's see if I should actually see him. There you go. Greg Brown III. Alright, next up, Steph Curry, Dorian Finney-Smith, Kenrich Williams, John Morant, Michael Porter Jr. Here's the base card. Derrick Jones Jr. And then Marcus Morris Sr. purple. And our rookie is Kate Cunningham. I definitely needed this one. First box didn't have that, so I'm glad that did come in this one. All right, let's keep going. All right, here we go. Jared Allen, Kevin Porter Jr., Tomas Satoransky, Mike Conley, Derek White, Jimmy Butler. Another one of those cards that I can't figure out what it says. But it's Joshua Primo. There. And Charles Bassey. There you go. That autograph of MPJ is sweet. Definitely watch my other video so you can see the other pull. All right, Lagoons Dort. We're gonna say that. Hopefully that's how to pronounce it. Aaron Baines, Chris Middleton. Flip it around again. Gordon Hayward, Jaren Jackson Jr., Jeff Green, and we have, oh boy, I can't see this. Trey Murphy III, purple. And then Trey Man, rookie. There, and put these there. And we're going to assume we're about halfway through the box. Alright, next up, we got Giannis, Danny Green, Andrew Wiggins, Desmond Bain, Karl Anthony Towns, TJ Warren, Dorian Finney-Smith, purple, and then Joshua Primo, rookie. Put that there, put these here. I'm sorry. Trying to relax my back a little bit. Alright. Come on. There we go. Tim Hardaway Jr., Marvin Bagley III, Marcus Smart, Lonzo Ball, Emmanuel Quickly, Luke Kennard. Then we have High Court, James Harden, and our rookie is Isaiah Todd. Colin Sexton, Gary Harris, Killian Hayes, Denis Abdia, Cameron Johnson, Royce O'Neal. We are now playing Chris Dort, and then Jared. Let me get it where you can see it. Jared Butler, rookie. There you go. Alright, next up we have Chris Paul, Josh Jackson, Tobias Harris, Trae Young, Paul Millsap, Miles Turner, and then we have Hoopla, James Harden, and our rookie is Davion Mitchell. Here. Alright, let's get through these now. Cole Anthony, Carmelo Anthony, De'Aaron Fox, Nikola Vucevic, RJ Barrett, Paul George, Josh Christopher, James Bouknight, I'm sorry, Bouknight. Alright, Enes Kanter, Kevin Love, Eric Gordon, Davis Bertans, Anthony Edwards, Keldon Johnson, Cameron Johnson, and Juan Toscano Anderson, rookie. So that's one that didn't actually have an insert. So I'll have to check this. Oh, here we go. That's why. So the back card of Cameron Johnson is a red back. You should see it. There's that. So I'll put that over here. Put these here. I was wondering why I didn't have an insert in that when I was pulling those cards there. And that explains it. Alright, got the man, Joel Embiid, Otto Porter Jr., Boban Marjanovic, Malcolm Brogdon, Patrick Williams, Derrick Rose, City Edition, Devin Booker. That's a sweet looking card. That orange for the Suns orange. And then Corey Kispert, rookie. Couple more packs to go here. Appreciate you guys watching. Alright, here we go. Zion, Darius Baisley, Devin Booker, Bam Adebayo, Norman Powell, Kyle Anderson. Then we have I can't see what it says. Okay, Donovan Mitchell. It says on the back. No, it doesn't. Donovan Mitchell insert and Isaiah Jackson, rookie. 5 more packs to go. I'm gonna get 1 auto per box, so we do have the auto. Most of these are just all base. There, Alright, got Tyrese Halliburton, Peyton Pritchard, Isaac Okoro, Eric Bledsoe, Roy Hachimura, Joe Ingles. And we got road to the finals, Nikola Jokic, and Miles McBride, rookie. There you go. Okay. Focus here. Here we go. Brook Lopez, Ben Simmons, Terrence Ross, Monty Morris, Karis LeVert, Kobe White, Bradley Beal, Primetime. I'm sorry, Prime Twine. And we have Trey Murphy III, rookie. 3 more packs. Alright. Starting off with Reggie Bullock, Buddy Hield, Josh Richardson, Mitchell Robinson, Nicholas Batum, Thomas Bryant. We got now playing Evan Mobley. And our rookie is going to be Jason Preston. Oops. Here we go. John Wall, Brandon Ingram, James Harden, DeJounte Murray. Yep, there you go. Okay. Onyeka Okongwu, Terry Rozier. We got another parallel, Alperen Sengun, numbered out of 199. And our rookie is Santi Aldama. And our last pack, coming up now. And we have Gary Trent Jr., Dante DiVincenzo, Seth Curry, Brandon Clark, Nikola Jokic, Domantas Sabonis. And then we have Jamtastic, Kawhi Leonard insert. And then we have Scotty Barnes as our last card and rookie. So, recap. In addition to a bunch of really nice inserts, base cards, rookie cards, we did pull this Michael Porter Jr. Hot Signatures autograph card. I did check it out on eBay and sell them for $20-some. Not a lot of money, but my plan is to probably hold on to this card until he gets back from being injured and if he starts lightening up and his cards kind of follow suit and go up too. That'll be the time when I will sell this to just I'm not a Michael Porter Jr. collector, so but I do want to maximize the value of this card when I can. So that's that. Thank you for watching. Please like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. I will be posting some videos in the future. But I do appreciate you, appreciate everyone watching my videos and continue to support me. See ya.